Hey there, I got a question today that I've never gotten asked before, so I wanted to share with you the answer. I'm dealing with a family that's looking to buy a little piece of heaven up in beautiful Northwoods. They're coming over from Minneapolis and they want to put a yurt on a piece of property up here in the Northwoods. And their question to me, their concern was, we drive an electric car. Is there any place in northern Wisconsin to charge my car? And I can say in 21 years, this is the first time I have been asked that question. So did a little research online, and actually there's a website called Charge Finder where you can find where there are charging stations located near you. And we actually have several in the Northwoods. We have about 3 in Rhinelander, we have 1 in Minocqua, and we have 1 in Three Lakes. According to the website, there are going to be some others coming to the Northwoods soon. But as of right now, all the way up Highway 51 and coming over from Phillips or Medford, you're going to find a couple of charging stations. And then, of course, when you get to the Northwoods, as I said, there's several in Rhinelander, 1 in Minocqua, and 1 in Three Lakes. If anybody out there sees this video and knows of one someplace else in the Northwoods, please share it with me below so that I can add it to this map. It's a kind of handy dandy little tool. And again, it's chargefinder.com. So again, if you have any questions about relocating to northern Wisconsin, I would love to be a resource and a guide.